Viral Science, the home of creativity.
Hey friends, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can display some images on your OLED display. So let's get started. This is the example program of our today's project. I will show you how you can modify it by adding your own images to display. So first, open your favorite image. I am using Photoshop. You can use any photo editor for this. So after opening this, I will change the image size of our image. I will set it to 128 pixels into 64 pixels and click on OK, and I will save it. Now open this link, which will redirect you to its website. This is the Bitmap Converter website. Here we will upload our edited image. So now we have got this code for this. Copy this code and paste it in our original code. You can paste this code on the top right here. Now I will change its name to YT, as we are going to print a YouTube logo. Now copy this code and paste it on the top. Now we will change its name as we have given earlier. Now note the pixel size of your bitmap. Now type the same pixels right here. Here we have called all the bitmaps in a loop with a delay of 1000 ms, that is milliseconds. It means that all the pictures will be displayed for about 1000 milliseconds. Here I also added text to display. Now just compile the code, select the board and port and upload the code.
Do subscribe and press bell icon to get instant notification for new video.